on the spot with Macy Dot. I'm having way too much fun with this if you can't tell, but this time I'm sharing people, places, plates, and products that have kept me happy and healthy recently.